everyone! Ready to turn your kitchen into a science lab? I've got 5 super cool experiments you can try right at home, using stuff you probably already have. Grab your grown-up and let's get started. First up, magic milk. Pour some milk in a shallow dish, add a few drops of food coloring, then dip a cotton swab in dish soap and touch the colors. Whoa! Watch them swirl and dance. That's science in action. The soap is breaking up the fat in the milk. Next, let's make a rainbow in a glass. Mix sugar into water, making 4 different cups, each with more sugar than the last. Add food coloring to each, carefully pour them into a tall glass. Starting with the most sugary, you'll see the colors stack up like a rainbow. Density is what keeps them separated. Number 3, the incredible expanding balloon. Pour vinegar into a bottle, then put baking soda in a balloon. Carefully fit the balloon on the bottle's top and tip the baking soda and the balloon inflates. That's carbon dioxide gas from the reaction. 4th, dancing raisins. Fill a glass with soda, drop in some raisins, and watch them boogie up and down. The bubbles stick to the raisins, lifting them up, then pop and drop them down again. Last but not least, homemade lava lamp. Fill a bottle with oil, water, and some food coloring. Drop in an Alka-Seltzer tablet and watch the bubbling blobs go up and down. It's like magic, but it's science. Which experiment will you try first? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget, science is all about asking questions and having fun. Thanks for exploring with me. See you next time for more awesome science.